so we have a good chunk of our pieces recoated. Diff cover, outer rotors, because they're still good, and the backs of the axles. I wanted those to be coated in epoxy. That way it has a chance to dry and look good for future. It looks like we got our USB and headphone jack for our piece here. It's gonna go right in there, and it has a lid and screw in back with nuts. These nuts right here, these ones, and we'll plug it into our USB. And we'll plug it into our RCA and we will install it. So let's drill a big old hole right in the middle, shall we? We'll be back. 1 second. And there we go, folks. Not looking too bad.